Does your windmill have a braking system or a way to shut it down in high winds? Great question. All Joe Meskin windmills feature an innovative self-governing design, eliminating the need for a braking system. This system operates by using the tail fin to steer the windmill into the direction of the prevailing winds when the speeds are 27 miles per hour or lower. However, when wind speeds surpass 27 miles per hour, the force of the wind against the 12 fan blades overpowers the tail fin, guiding the windmill away from the stronger wind gusts and effectively regulating its speed without any external intervention. Joe Meskin windmills have demonstrated the capability to withstand wind speeds exceeding 80 miles per hour, provided they are properly installed and secured with concrete. Nevertheless, we consistently advise all customers to include their windmill on their homeowner's insurance policy to safeguard against any potential adverse events. Here at Joe Meskin Windmills, we don't just claim to produce the world's best ponderation windmill, we actually prove it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us directly. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Have a great day.